Hello everyone, welcome to our video in tribute to our veterans. We ride up into Iowa every year to visit these rocks on Labor Day weekend to pay our respects to our veterans. They are called Freedom Rocks. We invite everyone that wants to ride up to see them to join us. We usually have a great turnout, and this year no exception, as you can see. This year we are missing one rider that has joined us on this trip many times before. Unfortunately, Rick McDowell lost his life due to complications from a motorcycle accident last year. So this year and on, we will call this Rick's Rock Ride. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please share it. Thanks.
We're at the First Rock in Maryville, Missouri. We've got 17 bikes this year on the ride. It's been a beautiful day so far. Getting ready to pull our first card for the little poker run we do with this, and so we'll keep you posted as we make it through the day.
Bubba Sorensen the second.
And do they retake them every year?
Only one. Only one. The big rock, they do it every year. All right, this is a rock that is in Clarinda, Iowa. Second rock of the day. This is right on Highway 71. Medal of Honor, Vernon Baker. World War II and Korean War. America means freedom, and there's no expression of freedom quite so sincere as music. Glenn Miller. Major Glenn Miller. We are in Mill County, Iowa. Emerson is the town, and we are at a new Freedom Rock for us. We're gonna check it out here, see what we got. This memorial is dedicated to the veterans of the World War II. Pretty awesome. And here's the Freedom Rock. Mills County. You have done your duty to honor you is ours. True. We thank everybody that's participated in armed services. It's made our freedom what it is today. Awesome. Back of this, they've got a roll of honor. Okay guys, we are in Red Oak, Iowa. I don't know what county this is for sure. Not sure, but they got a Freedom Rock, got a Korean War memorial dedicated to the men and women of Montgomery County. There we go, Montgomery County is where we are, who served in the armed forces of the United States during the Korean War. June 25th, 1950 to July 27th, 1953. And we got a Vietnam War from 1960 to 1975. And then they've got this one here is for World War II from the people from this county. Pretty awesome. And they've also got all the flags flying, POW, and the Freedom Rock. Red Oak Victory on that ship. Pretty awesome, guys. If you haven't been to Iowa and you're traveling through Iowa, need to look this stuff up on the internet. They're not on the everyday beaten path. You got to go off-road. Well, not off-road, but you got to get off the main highways to see these. But there is a map. If you look up the Freedom Rock Tour, and it'll pull up where there's rocks, and go check them out. Go check them out. They are freaking awesome. More to come. Next stop, the Big Rock. We made it to the main rock. All of us but one. One guy had to turn around and head home. He didn't realize it was going to be this long, so here it is. This is the big one. Pat Tillman. Pat Tillman turned down a contract of $3.6 million to enlist in the United States Army. This helicopter has been on here for several years now. The story behind that is it's got ashes from one of the fallen soldiers from one of the last wars. I don't know if it was the Afghan or if it was the Iraqi war, but his ashes are in the paint that's on the helicopter, so that stays up there as long as possible. Forever, we hope. In remembrance of him. Ernest Bud Schultz, local POW. Looks like Ray Bubba Sorensen II's got his kids helping, his son helping him, age 6. Jerry, stand up next to that rock so we can show him how big it is. That's Jerry, he's 6 foot, and it's probably another 5 or so foot taller than he is, so it's a big rock, guys. Pictures and video won't do it justice, I'm telling you. This is awesome.